1. Which ancient kingdom was the first to use elephants on a large scale in its wars? The correct answer is Magadha. 2. The first Buddhist council was held at which place in Bihar? The correct answer is Rajgrai. 3. Who was the founder of the Haryanka dynasty? The correct answer is Bimbasara. 4. At which place did Lord Buddha attain enlightenment? The correct answer is Bodh Gaya. 5. The capital of Magadha was shifted from Rajgrai to Pataliputra by which ruler? The correct answer is Udayan. 6. Who was the Greek ambassador sent to the court of Chandragupta Maurya? The correct answer is Megasthenes. 7. The famous Nalanda University was founded by which Gupta ruler? The correct answer is Kumaragupta I. 8. In which year was the province of Bihar separated from the Bengal Presidency? The correct answer is the 22nd of March 1912. 9. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Bihar? The correct answer is Kunwar Singh. 10. Lord Mahavira the 24th Jan Tirthankara was born at which place? The correct answer is Vaishali. 11. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is located at which place in Bihar? The correct answer is Sasaram. 12. Which ruler of Bihar built the famous Vikramshila University? The correct answer is Dharmapal. 13. In which year did the Champaran Satyagraha take place? The correct answer is the 19th of April 1917. 14. Who was the first Chief Minister of Bihar? The correct answer is Krishna Singh. 15. Which Chinese traveler visited Bihar during the reign of Harshavardhana? The correct answer is Hien Sam. 16. The Barabar caves located in Gaya were built during which period? The correct answer is Mauryan. 17. Who was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty overthrown by Chandragupta Maurya? The correct answer is Dana Nanda. 18. The third Buddhist council was held at Pataliputra under the patronage of? The correct answer is Ashoka. 19. In which city did Lord Mahavira attain Mahaparinirvana? The correct answer is Pawapuri. 20. Which site in Bihar is known as the birthplace of Guru Gobind Singh? The correct answer is Patna Sahib. 21. During the Sultanate period, who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? The correct answer is Bakhtiyar Khilji. 22. Which revolutionary from Bihar was associated with the assembly bomb case along with Bhagat Singh? The correct answer is Batukeshwar Dutt. 23. The Bihar Provincial Kisan Sabha was formed by whom in 1929? The correct answer is Swami Sajanand Saraswati. 24. Who was the president of the Gaya session of the Indian National Congress in 1922? The correct answer is Chittaranjan Das. 25. The Quit India movement in Bihar saw the famous Martyrs Memorial built in memory of 7 students killed in which city? The correct answer is Patna. 26. Who was the first governor of Bihar after independence? The correct answer is Jairamdas Daulatrama. 27. The ancient city of Champa was the capital of which Mahajanapada? The correct answer is Anga. 28. In which year did Bihar and Orissa become separate provinces? The correct answer is the 1st of April 1936. 29. The famous Bihar movement of 1974 was led by? The correct answer is Jayaprakash Narayan. 30. Which Pala ruler founded the Odantpuri monastery? The correct answer is Gopala. 31. The Golghar in Patna was built for what purpose? The correct answer is storage of grains. 32. Who was the first Muslim governor of Bihar during the Mughal era? The correct answer is Munim Khan. 33. Which district of Bihar is known for the site of Ashoka's lion pillar at Maurya Empire? The correct answer is West Champaran. 34. The famous Madhubani painting style originated in which region of Bihar? The correct answer is Mithila. 35. Who established the Sadakat Ashram in Patna? The correct answer is Mazarul Haq. 36. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? The correct answer is the 22nd of October 1764. 37. The Vikramshila Gangetuk Dolphin Sanctuary is located in which district of Bihar? The correct answer is Bhagalpur. 38. Who was the ruler of Magadha at the time of Alexander's invasion of India? The correct answer is Dana Nanda. 39. Which Buddhist monk converted Ashoka to Buddhism? The correct answer is Upagupta. 40. The ancient site of Kumharar is associated with which empire? The correct answer is Mauryan. 41. Who was the first woman chief minister of Bihar? The correct answer is Rabri Devi. 42. In which year was the state of Jharkhand carved out of Bihar? The correct answer is the 15th of November 2000. 43. The Didarganj Yakshi, a famous specimen of Mauryan art, was found in which city? The correct answer is Patna. 44. Which Sufi saint is associated with the shrine at Bihar Sharif? The correct answer is Makdam Sharfuddin Maneri. 45. Who founded the city of Pataliputra? The correct answer is Udayan. 46. The historic Grand Trunk Road was renovated by which ruler of Bihar? The correct answer is Sher Shah Suri. 47. Which treaty ended the Battle of Buxar, leading to British control over Bihar? The correct answer is Treaty of Allahabad. 48. The Kisan Sabha movement in Bihar was highly active in which decade? The correct answer is 1930s. 49. Who presided over the first session of the Bihar Provincial Congress Committee in 1908? The correct answer is Sir Ali Imam. 50. Which university in Bihar is considered one of the earliest institutions of higher learning in the world? The correct answer is Nalanda.